Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, Alternatives for Facebook Ads, I mentioned that we're going to talk about TikTok marketing this month. And today is the day. Before we start it officially, let's have a quick review of our last TikTok related video first. In that video, we talked about what features can make good TikTok ads and through which actions you can gain more traffic by posting on TikTok. If you're interested in finding out, click here to watch. Here we share useful tips and knowledge about dropshipping and e-commerce. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do it now. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. Now let's get started. Part 1. Why TikTok? TikTok makes it easy and affordable to create great campaigns. Because of the variety of content on TikTok, there is something for everyone. Whether you are a clothing brand, an app, a service, a transportation company, a restaurant, in the music industry, or anyone who wants to increase visibility for their products or service, there is a place for you on TikTok. Maybe small businesses don't think it's worth the time and money to be advertising on TikTok, thinking it's too difficult to create authentic and engaging video content. However, it isn't that hard. If you are worried about not having the budget for advertising on TikTok, fear no more. TikTok is helping small businesses advertise on their platform through their small business program. Last year, the company introduced a self-service advertising platform similar to Facebook and Google. This transition has allowed small businesses to apply TikTok marketing strategies to their social media campaigns. Advertisers who utilize this program will have access to self-serving advertising features, such as creative tools, flexible budget, preference targeting, and business accounts. They will also have the ability to potentially reach millions of users worldwide and create meaningful brand content that shows creativity and drives engagement. Part 2. TikTok ads format. If you do it right with TikTok's in-feed ads, there is a high possibility for users to engage with their ads. There are different ad formats to choose from when advertising on TikTok, and the versatile ad formats facilitate engagement really well. However, today I'm gonna divide these formats into two parts. Practical for online business and the ones that are not. Let's have a quick peek over the three not so practical ones first. They are not really that affordable for dropshippers, but it's always a good thing to keep up with the trend. Number 1. Top view ads. This TikTok ad placement is the best unmissed spot. It will show as the first video when a user opens TikTok, capturing their attention right away. Number 2. Brand takeover ads. Similar to top view, this is a full screen tactic or dynamic display, delivering strong visual impact, just the same as non-speakable YouTube ads. Like top view, this ad often shows when a user opens TikTok, but with no ability to like or comment. Number 3. Branded hashtag challenge. Engagement format that taps into users' passion for creation and expression for strong brand awareness, with a level of engagement that goes beyond a click, gives users the ability to participate and create content around their campaign theme. Now, let's see the other three more ideal formats for online business. Number 4. In-feed ads. Tell brand stories like a TikTok pro. By integrating content in a user's For You page, FYP, these ads give the ability for users to like, comment, share, follow, and shoot videos with the same TikTok sound. In-feed ads are up to 60-second video ads that appear in between user videos as you scroll through the For You page. At first glance, they appear as organic user-generated content. These ads only have a couple of seconds to capture your audience's attention before they continue to scroll, so they need to be instantly engaging. Number 5. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with TikTok creators is a powerful form of influencer marketing, which enables you to promote your brand via content that has the highest potential reach. These influential creators use TikTok to share their perspectives, recipes, families, dance moves, and other aspects of their daily lives. But unlike Instagram, which uses heavy editing, professional studio lighting, makeup, and camera work, the idea on TikTok is to share experiences in the room, which makes it much more relatable and genuine for the audience. We're preparing a video that is going to talk about influencer marketing. If you're interested, stay tuned. Number 6. Organic traffic with original content. This is like the most original way of advertising. Gain engagement with your posts. Grow a brand account might sound ancient and very time-consuming, but once it's done, the result is going to be incredibly rewarding. We've talked about the definition of good content in our previous video. Always feel free to check it out. Part 3. Pro tips. Keep your content on TikTok authentic. At the same time, you must have a clear understanding of your product's features and target customers. This will facilitate accurate placement and positioning when choosing and using TikTok Ads Manager. You can target your audience based on demographics, age, and interests, as well as from the perspective of your customer profile, website traffic source, etc. If you want to know more about the specific operations and pricing of TikTok ads, leave a request in the comment below, and your wish will become my comment. I'm Bella from cjdropshipping, and I really hope today's video can help you with your business growing, or at least give you some inspiration. Don't forget to hit the likes if you do like what I shared. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys soon.